मनीषा सिंह और आज है मेरे साथ, एक्चुअली वर्चुअली है मेरे साथ मेरी दोस्त हिमानी शर्मा। मैं और हिमानी बात कर रहे थे कि यार हम फिजिकल वर्कआउट तो कर ही रहे हैं, जूम पे मीटिंग्स कर लेते हैं, बातचीत कर लेते हैं फ्रेंड्स से, बट व्हाई डोंट वी डू सम मेंटल वर्कआउट एज वेल?
हाँ, पता है जब भी मैं स्मृति ऐश्वर्या कॉल करती हूँ वो हमेशा कहते हैं कि बाद में कॉल करते हैं, अभी हम माइंड वॉर्स खेल रहे हैं। तो मुझे लगा कि क्यों ना हम भी माइंड वॉर्स ट्राई करें। और वैसे भी मुझे तो क्विज कंपटीशन खेलने में बहुत मजा आता है। बचपन से मैंने इतने कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया एंड यू नो व्हाट, आई हैव ऑलवेज वन।
That's great, yeah. Honestly, I'm not much into competition, but I love to read. तो अगर हमने इस क्विज को खेला तो आई थिंक आई वुड लव टू चूज़ अ टॉपिक जिसके बारे में मुझे थोड़ी नॉलेज है, मे बी लाइक बुक्स बाय इंडियन ऑथर्स। व्हाट अबाउट यू हिमानी?
यू नो मेरी चॉइस थोड़ी सी इंटरनेशनल है, कंट्रीज एंड देयर फ्लैग्स। बचपन से ही मुझे दूसरे कंट्रीज बहुत फैसिनेट करते थे, पर तब ना तो अब्रॉड जाने का मौका मिला और ना ही इंटरनेट था। सो व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू, मैं कंट्रीज, उनके कैपिटल्स, उनकी पॉपुलर प्लेसेस और फ्लैग्स के बारे में पढ़ती थी। तो मेरी ट्रेन तो बहुत पहले से शुरू हो गई थी। तो देखना, आज यहाँ झंडे मैं ही गाड़ूंगी।
अच्छा बेटा, देखते हैं कि कौन झंडा गाड़ता है और कौन नहीं।
आई एम ऑल रेडी।
अच्छा, इतना ही तैयार हो तो पहले तुम चली जाओ।
लेट द माइंड वॉर्स बिगिन। Okay, then let's start with the quiz. So the question number 1 is, which constellation features on the flags of both Australia and New Zealand? I know that both the flags have stars on them, but I have no idea about the constellations. So I think I have to make a blind guess. So I will go with option B, Lyra. इतनी गंदी शुरुआत। Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, it's according to Guinness World Records, which Scandinavian country has the oldest continuously used national flag? अरे यार, फिर से blind guess करना पड़ेगा I guess. Okay, I will go with Denmark. Huh? That's the right answer. चलो, finally खाता खुला. Okay, let's see the next question. It's what do the 27 stars on the Brazil's flag symbolize? आप आया ना मेरे टाइप का क्वेश्चन। It represents the same thing that stars on American flag represents. Number of states. Yes, that's the right answer. Okay, so the fourth question is, the Russian flag comprises 3 horizontal bands and 2 of them are white and blue. What is the third color? Too easy. It's red. Guys, did you know? When Russian flag was conceived, it was taken as an inspiration from Netherlands flag, which at that time consisted of orange, white and blue horizontal bands. Russian changed the color and also the order of the colors. So their flag was white, blue and red. But in 1650, Netherlands also swapped orange color to red. So the only difference today in both of the flag is just the order of colors. So now the next question. It's which sword wielding animal is depicted on the Sri Lankan national flag? I'm confused between lion and tiger, but I don't remember any stripes on the animal's body, so I will go with the lion. Oh, it is lion. Okay, let's see the next question. It's how many stars are present on the Chinese national flag? So there is a big star and 4 stars around, so 5. 5? Yes, it's 5. और यहाँ चल रही है मेरी भी 5-star performance. Okay, let's see the next question. It's which Western Asian country's flag has a green cedar tree on it? Pakistan, Lebanon, China, India. Options ने बचा लिया. It's Lebanon. Yes, it is. Okay, so the next question is which country's flag was called the Union Jack by the late 17th century and was made official in the late 19th century? Simple. UK, United Kingdom? Yes, that's the right answer. Okay, let's see the 9th question. What UNESCO World Heritage Site is depicted on the national flag of Cambodia? I'm not sure, but I will go with the most popular destination of Cambodia, and it's Angkor Wat. Is it? Oh, yes, that's the right answer. So just the last question. I hope I get that one right. So the question is, which African country depicts a meshit on its flag? I think it's Angola with red, black, and yellow stripes. Is it? Yes. By the way, guys, if you notice that few African countries have weapons on their flags, and the most interesting one is Mozambique. It has 2 AK-47 rifle on their flag. Not a very welcoming sight for tourists, right? But here it is, a good sight for me. 9 out of 10. Not bad, Imani. Okay.
Okay, so here we go. Question number 1. What is the other pen name of Munshi Premchand? I'll go with Nawab Rai. Yes. Okay, second question, okay. Who was the first Indian to win the Pulitzer Prize? Honestly, I'm confused between Gobind Bihari Lal and Jhumpa Lahiri. I will go with Jhumpa Lahiri. कोई बात नहीं चलो. Question number 3. For which book did Salman Rushdie win the Booker Prize in 1981? Oh, it's too easy, I know this. It's Midnight's Children. And do you guys know that not only the Booker Prize, but he also won the Booker of Booker's Prize in 1993. So apparently that's the prize for best Booker novel of the past 25 years. Interesting, right? Chaliye, next question. Question number 4, yeah. Who has received the Sahitya Akademi Award for his short story collection, Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra? I will go with Ruskin Bond. That's the right answer. This was completely a तुक्का. ये मुझे ऐसे honestly ऐसे थोड़ा blurry था. चलो, अब मजा आ रहा है. Next question. Who is the author of A Suitable Boy? That is Vikram Seth. Yay! Who is the writer of the book Devdas? Aha! It's Sarat Chandra Chattopadhyay. And that is the right answer. So do you guys know? I'll tell you something very interesting. So Devdas was written in 1917. Yes, right, 1917. Until today it has been adapted into films and shows 18 times. You heard it right, 18 times. So if you keep the epics and mythological dramas aside, it is India's most filmed story ever. Wow. I love Devdas. Okay, 4 more to go. Who is the writer of the book Train to Pakistan? That is Khushwant Singh. Yes. Okay. Next question. The story in the book God of Small Things is based on which state? That is Kerala. Yes, I love this book, it's one of my favorites. 9th question. Which one is the first novel of Chetan Bhagat? मैंने ये सारी पढ़ी है, but I'm just confused between क्या मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है फर्स्ट कौन सी. शायद, चलो I'll try. I'll go with 5 point someone. Is it the right answer? आज I'm on fire. I'm completely on fire. मेरे तुक्के भी सही बैठ रहे हैं. Okay, last question. That is Satyajit Ray's famous film शतरंज के खिलाड़ी is based on a novel by प्रेमचंद, R.K. नारायण, गिरीश कानंद, अनीता देसाई. I'll go with Munshi Premchand ji. Yay! Oh my god, this was so much fun and guess what? I scored 9 out of 10. तो सिर्फ एक गलत था. सही तुक्का मार लेती ना. But this was so much fun, yeah. So much fun.
So I got 9 points and you?
Are you serious? Dude, मेरे भी 9 points आए हैं यार.
ये तो टाई हो गया, अब क्या करेंगे?
I have an idea for tiebreaker. So, तुमने जिस क्वेश्चन का गलत जवाब दिया वो क्वेश्चन तुम मुझसे पूछो और मैंने जिस क्वेश्चन का गलत जवाब दिया है I'll ask you that question और जो भी सही जवाब देगा वो विनर होगा. What's it?
Sounds like a plan. Let's start.
Perfect. So, मैं पहले पूछूं? 1 second. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So, who was the first Indian to win the Pulitzer Prize? First, options दे रही हूँ 4. First, झुम्पा लहरी. Second, गीता आनंद. Third, गोविंद बिहारी लाल. Fourth, सिद्धार्थ मुखर्जी.
And I know the answer. It's number 3. Is it?
That is Gobind Bihari Lal.
Yes.
Yeah, it's the right answer.
Okay. Now let me ask you the question. So the question is, which constellation features on the flags of both Australia and New Zealand? The options are Southern Cross, Lyra, Orion, Ursa Major.
Dude, मैं बहुत बुरी हूँ यार फ्लैग्स के साथ.
कोई भी गेस कर लो यार. It's okay. Blind guess.
उर्सा मेजर.
Number 8, Southern Cross.
Damn, dude, congratulations.
Okay, so it was so close. You know, बहुत मजा आया.
Yeah, I know. I just made a very silly mistake. वरना जीत जाती.
अरे it's okay यार, होता है. पता है क्विज में नॉलेज के साथ साथ फोकस्ड होना ही बहुत जरूरी है.
That is true. And honestly, it was fun यार. We should do this more often. हम फिर से खेलेंगे. और इस बार मैं प्रैक्टिस करके आऊँगी.
ठीक है, देख लेंगे.
Want to be the first one to know of the videos on Mind Wars YouTube channel? Click subscribe and hit the bell icon.
And remember, knowledge increases when you share it. So like, share and tell your friends about it.